qualities of like letting it come straight from, but I'm sure it was practice. Maybe like while you do it, integrate like the best parts of both of them.
Well, in your practice, you have to ask. See, a rhetorician asks, what are the available means of persuasion in this case? You know, what am I trying to accomplish? What's available to me? You know, so if I'm a mayor and the bridge, I don't know this story. Which?
One in Minneapolis.
Yeah.
Oh, the highway bridge.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about San Francisco, Golden Gate bridges and stuff. Yeah. So, all right. So, yeah. So the bridge collapses. So the mayor, a rhetorician, goes to the mayor and says, okay, this is your situation. You've got a tragedy. You've got family suffering. You've got to connect with that. You've got to demonstrate. You've got to be. So the rhetorician advises the speaker regarding the ethos, the pathos, the logos, the approach you need to take. Right. Reagan is reported to have done this too. Reagan had all presidents have speech writers. Right. And at least my reading of that tradition was that Reagan tended to go off the speech at times. You know, he tended to just go off what was written there and go on his own and do things, and it worked for him. You know, so. But
I mean, like some people are just natural. Like no matter what you throw at them right away, they can come up with an answer.
Right.
Really good. And when they deliver it, the people who are like that, when they deliver it, they do it much better than if they rehearsed it and practiced it. And then other people are awful at it and can't come up.
Right, and Aristotle and Plato observed that, and they talked about there was a big argument whether you could teach public speaking or not. Yeah. So, right, but within the field of rhetorical studies, you would challenge somebody who wants to say that the best thing for you to do is just to be natural, sincere, and artless. I mean, there's some actor just got in trouble about 9/11. What was that about? And it was just this little thing. He was being interviewed on radio or something, and at the end of it, he said, well, okay, happy 9/11 to you. You know, and it was like, bang, zoom, you know, papers, articles, you know, photographers, you know, bang, you're up the creek without a paddle, you know. Well, that was fairly artless, I would say, you know, and it was not the best communication for him to use. I forget who it is, but okay. So these are two key things for Craig. He's going to keep talking about, well, this theory is plausible because it, you know, addresses our common ideas. But it's interesting because it challenges these other ideas. So for him, these are two very important things. Yeah, it makes sense, but wow, it really says we ought to think about this. So for Craig, those are two very valuable things in communication theory. All right, how about we break for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll finish up. So at 6:36, we'll come back at 51, is that it? Yep.
Sorry, I was late.
Okay, remind me.
Won't happen again.
That's all right, remind me.
Joseph Jamara.
Jamara? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Ben Sachs? Okay, Ben is back there, right? And Melissa got here. All right, we're all here. Good. This is review for you, but maybe some of it's new.
Yeah, some of it is new. Like you said, it's
Every time you-
different to read that article.
Every time you go over it, you get
Because the
some.
last time that we dealt with it, we were going more so for the overview of the different traditions rather than
Right.
focusing on this
Theory.
stuff.
Okay, great.
Well, she doesn't have the day off. Remember, they have like weird hours. Together, they probably remember it's all fresh.